Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where all your hard-earned money goes? It's time to take control of your finances, and I'm here to show you how. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to create a budget that actually works. Let's begin why budgeting is crucial. Budgeting is your financial roadmap. It helps you understand where your money goes and how to make it work for you. Budgeting without goals is like sailing without a destination. Remember to be realistic with your budget. Don't set unattainable goals. Instead, start small and gradually increase your savings and decrease unnecessary spending. So determine what you want to achieve, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing for retirement. Now, let's dive into the budgeting process. Begin by tracking your income and expenses. This includes your salary, side hustles, and any additional sources of income. Be thorough and include every expense, from bills and groceries to entertainment and dining out. Let's create your budget together, step by step. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or pen and paper, whatever works best for you. Start with your income, list your fixed expenses, then your variable expenses, and finally, your savings goals. Track your spending for a month to see where your money is really going. Now it's time to put it all together. Create your budget. Here's the heart of your budget: balancing income and expenses. Make sure your income exceeds your expenses. If not, adjust your spending. Now here's the magic formula: the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple and effective. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, bills, groceries. 30% to wants: dining out, entertainment. And 20%, that's your savings. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it is where the real magic happens. Plan your spending, avoid impulse buys, and make adjustments when needed. There are tons of apps out there that make it easy. Just plug in your spending and see the patterns. Don't forget to review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Make sure it reflects your current financial goals and situation. Don't forget the importance of an emergency fund. Having a safety net can keep your budget on track during unexpected expenses. Your emergency fund should be able to cover between 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. So, your savings should go there first, either entirely or at least partly, until it's reached. Afterward, you can switch your full focus to your savings goals. Lastly, celebrate your financial victories. Every milestone you reach is a step closer to your financial goals. Don't wait any longer. Start budgeting today and secure a prosperous future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Stay tuned for more financial tips and motivation. Remember, it's your hustle that'll lead to your financial muscle. Thanks for watching and keep hustling.